Okay guys, today we're going to do Commscope connectors, Cat6A, there's another one, Commscope. Okay, first thing you're going to do is you're going to put the booty on. You're going to strip it, it's about 1.5 inches. Now you take the foil about 1/2 inch up. You can also use flush cutters as a marker if you predetermine what 1/2 inch is, but eyeballing it's close enough. Okay, I'm actually holding it down from lifting up when I ripped it. Okay, wiggle around, do that. Start at one side, slowly start to break it back, and then flip it over, wrap it around, all right? Now you take orange to the left, brown to the right, and I do express, you might have to rotate it depending on how that happens, okay? Just how they fall out. They will naturally fall out opposite sides. Cut the strainer leaf in the middle. Okay, we have a little divider here that helps manage them because the wires are kind of small. They're much smaller than the traditional. Okay, so I leave that one up, pull these back. The whole time I'm never going to let go of the little plastic piece in there, okay? Strip these real quick, or I'm sorry, separate them. Maybe. You're going to do it right to the front of the plastic here. Okay guys, so as you're stripping these, you just take your fingers and you slide them down. Okay, and now you go orange, white, orange, green, white, green. Whichever one's on top is going to fall over the bottom one. Orange, white, orange, green, white, green, blue, blue, white, green, brown, white, brown, brown. Now I'm holding them with my finger and I'm sliding them up. See that? Kind of pull them tight up in. Okay, once I do that, there's always going to be a little gap. You just kind of twist a little. It's like a little technique. You twist and then they line up, all right? Confirm you got the right color pattern again. Correct. Now you're going to cut it at as much of like a 45-degree angle as you can. All right. Okay, so after you cut at a good angle, you're going to go fins up on this little guy. Fins up being orange, white on your left, all right? Now these just go right through. Okay. So you hold these when you pull this down. It's very important. Okay, so now that's all good. Hold this real solid. Cut that. Fins up. Pins up. Put it through. Until it stops. You'll see it stop there. Perfecto mundo. Cycle it. If you do have a strainer leaf, now would be the time. Okay. Back goes on the top. Cycle it. Oops. Cycle and put it through. Here we go. And there you have it, folks. Cat6A, slim cable. You can make your own jumpers. That's how I found it. You'll get pretty quick at them. Thank you very much. Westnet out.